Having a healthy diet isn't very difficult or complicated. Still, there are mistakes nutritionists often notice that people make. No matter how many healthy meals you eat or how often you work out, many people make the same mistakes when it comes to healthy eating. Here are the 6 biggest mistakes most people make when they try to eat healthily. Stay tuned to the parshealthttv channel. Number 6. Not eating the food you love. Eating is something to be enjoyed and loved. All of us love eating food, and aside from simply being fuel for our bodies, we love eating food. It is something to be loved and enjoyed and shared with our friends and family. I'm not exactly sure why a new belief has become so famous that to eat in a way that optimizes our health means minimizing the enjoyment we get from foods. For the avoidance of any doubt, that is not true at all. Healthy eating to optimize your health means eating the foods you love and enjoy. Why? Because otherwise, how long do you assume you can stick to it? And how long do you think the advantages of eating healthy are likely to last if you keep it up for only a matter of weeks? So, don't eliminate your favorite food from your diet to help yourself continue the process. Number 5. Not measuring the calories. So we learned from mistake number 1 that food is to be enjoyed and you should eat your favorite food. Somewhere along the way, the belief has contorted. Instead, you enjoy your food so you can eat whatever you want. That's a big mistake. Limiting something you love might be very difficult. So people make good excuses to convince themselves they don't need to restrain the thing they love. The problem is that you do need to restrain your calorie intake even if you don't want to. Food is fuel, and if you want more energy, confidence, focus, creativity, productivity, longevity, or any other benefits of good nutrition, you should treat it as such. So how do you balance your love of food and the enjoyment you get from it with the positive health benefits of managing the quantity we are eating? Well, in short, we all need to measure the calories we intake during the day if we want to stay fit and healthy. Number 4. Eliminating food groups. When I say carbohydrate, does it make you think of a powerful fuel that energizes and helps your body to be fresh and alive? Assumably the second one, given the relentless attack on carbs from different corners of the fitness world. And this is mistake number 4. Eliminating whole food groups for no good reason. Finally, this stems from a lack of knowledge of what each food group actually does. We are inundated with marketing about how someone lost 30 pounds in 4 days because he cut out carbs like pasta and potatoes from his diet. That's all very well for some people. But does cutting out or severely minimizing a food group work for your purposes? Maybe it does, and maybe it doesn't. Still, you must know why you are doing something as drastic as eliminating all carbs from your diet, for example. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into mistake number 3. Number 3. Overeating processed food. Would you like less energy, fewer nutrients or vitamins, and more body fat? If you answered yes, you should proceed directly to the processed food aisle. If you answered no, then keep on watching the video. Processed food is, obviously, food and meat that has been processed from its original form to be more delicious. If you regularly consume processed foods, you're more than likely overeating calories, undereating several types of nutrients or vitamins, and suffering from wild swings in energy levels. See, I said regularly, not sometimes. Generally speaking, you must stick to a minimally processed food source to have a healthy and fit body. These tend to be fewer in calories, high in nutrients, and lead to more stable energy levels during the day. Number 2. Not planning ahead. Meal planning is the best you can do for your healthy diet goals. I'm simply talking about knowing and planning what you want to eat at your next meal. The single best hour you can spend on your nutrition each week is to sit down and give time to draw up a plan of what you're going to eat in the week ahead. How often have you found yourself getting to the evening, absolutely hungering and understanding you don't know what you're going to have for the next meal? So what do? You go for the most convenient choice, which will almost always be the worst nutritional choice. Number 1. Short-term thinking. You may not know why this is a mistake. Let's have a look at the definition of the word diet, the types of food that a person, animal, or community habitually eats, Oxford Dictionary. This is the traditional and most exact definition of good nutrition. Only in more current times has diet come to mean a ridiculous, often embarrassingly ludicrous scheme of eating that someone desperately clings to for a short period, my own dictionary. Of course, I exaggerate to imply how unhealthy is modern people's diet. But I'm sure you can understand that the traditional definition of a diet leads to a long-term approach, concentrating on lifestyle change. The more modern interpretation you get from the word, the one so pervasive in the mainstream media, indicates that it is short-term in nature. That is not a good thing. While I agree that in some cases, a specific diet period can be beneficial and even needed in the case of a medical condition, for most people, this isn't the case. If you're looking to have a healthy weight and body, balance your energy, fuel your training, etc., then you should change your lifestyle that is reflected in the food you eat, not a diet. Therefore, there you have it, the 6 biggest healthy eating mistakes and how to fix them. Maybe you resound with some of them. Perhaps you resonate with all of them. And if you don't resonate with any of them, congratulations, you're a master already. You can share your opinions with us and other audiences in the comments section. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen.